Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add AI chatbot to Google Sites. So the first thing that we should know is we are going to use this online tool, which is the Landbot. Okay, so we just have to open any of our web browser and then make sure to open new tab for Google Sites account and for your Landbot application. Okay, so right here, just search using the search bar and then type out Landbot, and you'd be able to see this first website. So you just have to simply click on this one. Okay, next thing that you should do is to click on trial Landbot for free. Okay, but before that, let's talk about the pricing first. So when you go to the pricing section, as you can see right here, we have the free forever. So if you are just new to this online tool, we can start with the free forever. And then if you think this tool is working for your website, then you can upgrade your plan later on. So here, just click on sign up. It's free. Okay, this one. And then right here, you just have to type out your email and your password. And then if you'd like to continue or sign up with Google, so just click on sign up with Google. Okay, and then after signing up to your Google account, you'd be directed to this website. So you can also type out your password and email and then click on create account. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that, you'd be directed to this page where you have to fill out this one. So after that one, you'd be directed to this page. Okay, so here just have to follow this step-by-step instruction before you can proceed and start creating your own automation. Okay, so after that one, you will then just have to close it. Okay, so let me just finish this step-by-step guide. So right here, you just have to simply click on this highlighted steps. Okay, just click on next. Then here, just click on the publish option, and then once you're done, you'll be directed to this page. So here at the left side, you have these different options. But for this video, we are going to focus on how we can build a chatbot. So to build a chatbot, just simply click on this option at the top right. And then what kind of bot are you going to launch? So here, just have to select web. Okay, because we're going to use this one for our Google Sites. Here, to start building, you just have to choose build it for me or start from scratch, or you can also use a template. So for this video, I'm going to start from scratch. So just click on this one. Okay, and then just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then once you're done, you just have to go with your starting point. Okay, so you just have to simply click on this one, and then you can choose buttons, ask a questions, ask for a date, or ask for a name. So it's up to you. What kind of information do you want to get from your customers? Okay, so right here, for example, I'm going to select as a question, and then I'm just going to type right here a question. So a simple greeting and a question. And then after that, just click on apply. And then for our second step, so we can choose messages, questions, logic, integrations, AI assistant, or inbox and builder tools. So I'm just going to select messages once again, and then click on send a message. Okay, so right here we can create a welcome message somehow, or it's up to you what kind of message do you want to tell your customers. Okay, so for example, we are happy to meet you. Please allow us to assist you, or please fill out this form. So it's up to you what kind of instruction do you want to provide to your customers. Okay, so let me just type out, please provide your questions. Okay, so you can also add messages or add media if you want to. Okay, so after that one, just have to close it. And for our next step, you just have to do the same. Just have to drag this one right here and then select your third step. So for our third step, I am going to select questions, and I would like to ask for their name. So just simply click on the ask for a name option. You can also add buttons and more. So right here for the next one, let's go to the questions once again, or to the integrations, so we can integrate here all of these tools. Okay, so going back here, now that we have this steps, we can now try this one. Okay, so we can click on the test this bot. Okay, so when you do that, you'd be able to see this page right here, and then you can start testing your bot. Okay, so here you just have to type out, assuming that you are the customer and you're talking to the bot. So after that, just click on send. Okay, so you just have to type out your message and click on send. So since this bot is working, we can now close this one. And then here you can go to the design section beside the build option, and then right here you can go to the design template, general layout, chat, and custom code. So currently this is your design template. So when you go to the design templates option, you can choose any of this template right here. So for example, this one. So every time you make changes, you have to make sure that you click on the apply option. Okay, and then here you can go to the general. You have here the font size, and then the background type, so you can change this as well. Okay, so after that, you will then just have to publish your edit. Okay, so make sure you publish this one before you click on share, and then click on share. Here you can use live chat, full page, embed, or pop up. So for this one, I'm going to embed the code to my Google Sites. So when you click on the embed and click on copy code, you just have to go here to your Google Site and then go to any of the sections and click on the embed option, and then click on the embed code, and then paste here the code. Then after that, just have to simply click on next. Okay, and then click on insert. Next, right, you just have to adjust it. Okay, then after that, you can preview this one or test this bot. So we can review changes and publish. Okay, so this is your draft, and then this is currently published at your right side. So now that you're good to go, you just have to simply click on the publish option at the top right. Okay, so our Landbot is working well. Just click on the publish option at the top right of your screen. And then when someone visits your Google Sites, or someone clicked on your Google Site links, it redirected to this page. And then if they would like to ask questions for your page and you're not around, then they just have to ask your AI chatbot. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.